goes the big tree. Look at the size of that tree. It's going to be shaken. Just got to get a good grip on it because it's a really big tree. He wants to be really sure he can fit her in. Here we go, tree. It's a nice life. You're going to make lots of firewood. Wow, is that big? That is a big tree to move. It's going to lay her right down. That's going to fill that pile up. Timber.